Right now, we are in Bowie, Maryland, and this is Iwing Marketplace highlight. Let's go meet the IT chef, Eric Awonja. People are coming all over the US to eat shawarma, soya, and pork rib from his kitchen. So let's go check it out. Come with me. So how did you get into catering?
Well, thinking about it, when I first came to the United States back in 2009, I had my first job working for a company, one of these chains called Boston Market.
Right.
So again, having a little bit of culinary training with Boston Market, and then go ahead to work for other companies like Cracker Barrel, Potbelly. I had to, go through not only training from the kitchen standpoint, but restaurant as a business.
Wow, that's amazing. So I love the name IT Chef. Tell me about the name. Wow,
So IT Chef came about again. I after about 7 years of restaurant management experience, I went ahead and took a career with cybersecurity,
nice.
which of course again kind of put me in the IT field.
Right.
Moving towards IT, I never lost my passion for cooking and
Beautiful.
feeding people, basically. So when I decided that I was going to go back to the restaurant industry, and again, of course, owning my own brand, my wife and I, we went through back and forth. How can we name it? Again, we love shawarma, which is of course one of our main brand specials. We went through, we said IT Shawarma Chef. And then after some
too
playing
long.
around, we came down to
IT Chef.
Yes.
So what are the items you have that many people love, because I know people come from all over, Boston, New York, Atlanta, to come and eat shawarma.
So shawarma is actually the face of our brand, which we've perfected. Not that we are not great at other things. We just,
Right.
of course, took shawarma to the next level. But when you come to IT Chef Cuisine, you have an amazing spicy goat.
Wow.
We have a spicy goat recipe that is compared to none.
Wow.
You tested my soya earlier. We're going to taste some
We're
more.
going to taste some more.
So, we have an amazing soya recipe. Again, pork ribs. We also have gyro chicken, gyro rice.
Nice, beautiful.
Yeah.
So I'm ready to try some of your shawarma.
Let's make some shawarma.
All right, that's nice. What are the ingredients?
We're going to go to now. First of all, with shawarma, you can have you have two choices at this point. Well, I would say three, kind of. You can either do beef or you can do chicken. Now, what I've seen my customers do is they do half and half.
Wow.
So I've seen that too, and that's kind of new for us.
Right.
And of course, it's all about making sure the customer get what they want. Now, we pride ourselves in IT Chef to get you fresh ingredients, prepped fresh every day. You look at that.
Wow.
Green,
So that's
fresh,
tomatoes.
You have tomatoes, onion, and parsley.
Wow.
Now, parsley gives that fresh flavor
Right.
to your shawarma.
There's no celery in shawarma?
No, parsley. We use parsley.
Tomatoes,
Onions,
parsley. I see.
yes.
Yeah.
But we keep it simple. Now, we do have customers that come in and they want to modify a little bit. I don't want tomatoes. I want onion. I don't want onion.
So
I
you
want
do
tomatoes.
customize
We will do that
based
for you.
on what the customer loves. And then this is the beef.
The beef.
And then the chicken.
Chicken.
So this is soya?
No, this is beef knuckle. It's more tender than the beef we use for soya.
Oh, wow.
It's completely different.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah. And even the spicing is different as well.
Nice. Okay, so how was the process?
All right, let's go ahead and get some shawarma made. Now these are made on 12-inch tortilla wraps. And again, you have the option to do the French bread, which is popular in some places.
Right, yeah.
We will do anything you want, okay?
Right.
So first wrap is to be able to put the ingredients and hold them together. And then the second wrap is to hold it tight so the sauce doesn't fizzle out.
Nice.
Okay, so we'll do
Wow.
that beef, slide a little bit. Get a little bit of that fresh
I love the
veggies.
smell. It's very fresh.
Awesome, yes.
Wow.
Now you want to mix it up a little bit so your sauce can go inside.
Yeah.
And again, you have the option to do spicy
Right.
or non-spicy.
Nice, nice.
Okay.
I don't like spicy,
You don't like
and I
spicy,
like
so
little dressing.
okay, we're going to go none of this.
What is this?
That is the hot sauce, the spicy
Okay,
sauce.
so this is made in-house.
In-house, yes.
Right. No.
Everything is made in-house. Even this sauce, this is a IT chef special
Wow.
recipe for shawarma sauce. So
Nice.
you're not
nice,
gonna get
nice.
this anywhere.
So what's the secret to the sauce?
We'll talk about that later on. So
Well, I usually like a
light
little
sauce.
light sauce.
Okay,
Right.
so we're just gonna draw a little bit of
I think that's
and
good.
that's it.
Yeah. So, but some people love a lot of
extra sauce. You know,
Oh, nice.
shawarma is about the sauce. You want the sauce dripping. Some
Are you
people
kidding me?
Yes, that's shawarma.
Oh,
if
wow.
you're eating shawarma, you gotta have a lot of sauce.
Right. Right.
All right, so we'll go do the first wrap. Nice and easy.
Nice.
Then
Nice.
the second wrap holds it. And again, you want to be able to do this. Now, one thing, there are two sides of this. This makes it crispy brown.
Nice.
Nice. So you have to know which side you're wrapping your shawarma.
Oh wow.
Okay, and then we'll go to the toaster, put that in, and just give it a few minutes.
Just like that, you're not gonna press it down.
No, you don't need to. You don't need to. It hits from both sides. Okay, you don't need to press it. This has enough weight to hold itself.
Oh wow.
Yes. So we'll give it a few minutes and
Okay.
be ready to wrap.
So shawarma is very easy to make.
Very easy to make. Now,
So-
just the prep side of which it takes a little bit, but then the putting together is very easy.
Wow. So people can have it for lunch, dinner, or
Yes.
what's the best time
Hey.
to eat shawarma?
For now, until we go public, for now you can have shawarma weekdays from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Wow.
And then for weekends, that is Saturday and Sunday, from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Nice.
Now,
nice.
if you have an event, we can cater to you and deliver depending on the size amount of people you want. Now, also, one thing you need to know is we have the kebab machine, the shawarma machine that spins round. Okay, so when we have events like parties, birthday parties, we do shawarma live, we would bring the machine and actually load the meat and cook it fresh from start. So again, whatever it is you want us to do the catering and then put them in trays like this, we'll deliver for you. Yeah.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So, what did you learn from Boston market that you're transferring?
I'll tell you
your business
that.
right now.
One thing I learned, and I thank God I did, is to be able to standardize my recipes. Okay, McDonald's is known for McDonald's because if you go to one location, you eat a cheeseburger, it'll taste the same. The fries will taste the same in another location.
Right.
So what's the difference? They are recipes. So what I learned was to be able to standardize my recipes that I can train my crews. If you come to my store, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it doesn't matter what day, it doesn't matter who is working, it'll taste the same.
Wow.
Consistency.
That's beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah, is it ready by now?
Now you see that brown, consistent,
Brown.
golden brown.
Nice.
So
nice.
once you see that, it's already inside. Perfect inside.
Okay. What about the corner? I like it when it's crunchy.
Yeah, it is crunchy. Just the sides. Remember, we fold the sides. There's no way you can actually put this side on the on the toaster. So it goes back and forth. So now
this
what
is
we can
ready.
do for extra crispy, we can also crisp this
I
side.
love some extra
You like to do
crispy.
that?
Yeah.
Yes. Some customers do that. Some say, hey, we're perfect. And again, it's always about how the customer wants.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
No, I'll tell you, doing so many shawarmas, not a lot of people do it the same way. Some want it, hey, I want it extra sauce, light sauce, extra crispy.
Right.
Can you do it light, not too crispy? So it's all about what the customer wants.
Nice. Should be ready.
Yes, shawarma should be ready now. So let's take it out. That golden brown. See that perfect consistency.
Wow.
Yeah.
I love the how
It's
golden brown it is. Yeah.
It tastes even better.
And it's big.
Yes.
This can fill you up. Wow. Okay. See?
That fresh.
Wow. Okay, time to try. Yep, it looks so good. Just
Moment
look
of
at the
truth.
color. Mmm, 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 mmm. It's very crunchy, and I love it when it's crunchy.
Awesome.
Mmm.
Awesome. That's IT chef shawarma for you.
I see why people travel all over to come and eat this.
Yep.
I see myself eating this every day. This is good, man.
That's IT chef. That's it all around. All of our products, they are tested and tried. We put in a lot of time to perfect the recipes. I
Wow.
bet you if you come to IT chef any day, you're not only gonna get good food, but you're gonna get addicted. Yeah.
This is good.
Thank you.
So we can try the soya
Yes,
now.
let's do some soya.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's
and some pork
go.
ribs too.
Right.
Now we do soya. So the reason I wanted to do this one is soya is something, again, growing up in Cameroon, this is how we know soya to be.
Right.
No other way, okay? So I wanted to replicate the same thing. Even
Right.
when we have the trailer, we also is built for wood. So you
Nice,
can
nice.
get that smoke flavor
I
in your
love that.
soya.
I love
So,
that.
and again, with this one, it drains out all the fat. So you can actually enjoy juicy meat. It's not dry, it's juicy, but then not fatty too, on some
Nice.
of the fatty side. So,
Right,
yep,
right.
pretty much. Again,
So
same thing.
this too is the soya,
Yes.
and this is the rib.
This is pork ribs. Now,
Wow.
with this style, again, it's slow cook, cooked to the inside. And again, because we're cooking it this way, it is tender
Wow.
and it's very juicy. You will get a little bit of that smoky pink color too,
Nice,
as
nice.
well.
Wow.
Yes.
Tenderism.
Yes.
So we're gonna get the tenderism.
Hey, that's it, tenderism.
Okay, so this can fill up the trail.
Yeah, so you can try some.
Okay. Man, this is good.
Awesome.
I love this soya. You know
Thank
why?
you.
It's cooked to perfection.
Thank you, sir.
It's cooked to perfection.
You know, that's what you
It's
will
well
get.
done.
That's what you will get when you use the charcoal.
Wow.
You know, you get a little bit of that. You see that pink color. Yes.
And what
then-
I also like about it is the flavor. It's just smooth.
Thank
It
you.
gives you a smooth taste. You know, it's not like salty or none of that stuff. You know,
Yes.
what do you use? Like,
I can tell you that for sure we avoid putting a lot of salt. But I'll tell you, we have some pretty good secret recipes and spices, which you only get to know about them when you come to visit us.
wow,
All right, so these are pork ribs, slow cooked, tender.
wow,
Okay, still juicy. All right, now we decide to cook it slowly so you don't really lose the flavor and your spices don't filter out.
right.
Now, if we do a lot of heat, there's a possibility that it will be cooked on the outside, but then not all the way in. So it takes a little bit of skill to make your ribs come out like this.
Wow.
You can see that, right? That juice.
So how can people order?
All you have to do is give me a phone call, 240-478-4792. You pick up at my location here in
Bowie.
Bowie, Maryland. It's 1302 Kings Heather Drive, Bowie, Maryland. Again, just give us a call. We make sure everything is ready even before you get here.
Wow.
Thank you,
Thanks
sir.
so much, man. Keep
Thank
doing
you.
what
It's
you're
a
doing.
pleasure.
This is
It's a
amazing.
pleasure. Thank you.
You're welcome.